AgriRide app. Abstract.
This system provides a comprehensive platform for managing a transportation service. Admins can efficiently add, manage drivers, review user feedback, and oversee user details.
Here is our website which you can find Android projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From Android projects to spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. User can sign up here. Admin will log into this dashboard. Admin will be able to view drivers list. Admin will be able to add drivers. Admin will be able to view the user list. Admin will be able to view vehicle feedback page. Admin will be able to log out here. Driver can log into this vehicle dashboard. Admin can view the vehicle list here. Admin will be able to add vehicle here. User will able to view booking history. User will able to view driver's info page. User will be navigated to dashboard here. User will be able to get the driver info here. User can give feedback here. User will be viewing the booking here. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.